Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your LG washing machine suddenly won't turn on and the display remains completely blank, it can bring your laundry routine to a standstill. A no power issue doesn't always mean the appliance has suffered a major failure. Sometimes, simple causes like a temporary control malfunction, a loose power connection, or an interrupted power supply can prevent the LG washing machine from starting. Before assuming the worst, there are several easy checks you can perform that may help restore operation. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help bring your LG washing machine back to life. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the LG washing machine is securely connected to a working power outlet. Step 2. Inspect the breaker associated with the LG washing machine and reset it if necessary. Step 3. Unplug the LG washing machine and leave it disconnected for several minutes. Step 4. Reconnect the LG washing machine and allow the controls to initialize. Step 5. Ensure the door of the LG washing machine is fully closed before pressing the power button. Step 6. Turn on the LG washing machine and confirm that the display and controls respond normally.